How's your aunt?
Hey guys, it's your girl Serena back again with another YouTube video. In today's video, we will be creating my 2023 vision board together, and I hope that you all will be creating your own with me at the same time, or I hope that you already created yours and that this one will just inspire you to stay focused for 2023. It's time to be working on it and putting my focus onto it, and that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna go and brainstorm all of our goals. Could be career goals, personal goals, health goals, financial goals, stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and brainstorm all those goals, and those goals will actually help us pick out the images that we want to put on our vision board. Okay, let's get into it. Alright, so now that we have all our goals written down for 2023, we brainstorm whatever came to our mind. Of course, you could add things in the process throughout the year, and of course when you look at images on Pinterest or you start looking for stuff to put in your vision board, you will think on other goals, so you could add them in one time. We are gonna go and start looking for images that match our goals, that describe our goals, just to illustrate them on the vision board. I'm gonna be looking for all my images on Pinterest. Pinterest is the plug. Pinterest is the place to find the images that you need. Pinterest has everything. You will also find my social medias below down in the description box. If you want to follow me on there, I'm very active on Instagram, and I'm starting to put myself out there on Pinterest as well. You can also choose a theme color, a main color for your vision board. I'm gonna be choosing pink. Let's start looking for these beautiful pictures on Pinterest. So I'm currently on Canva, so I'm adding all my images onto one sheet like this to then print it out like this. Now my printer isn't giving me the best quality pictures, but that's okay. It doesn't really matter as long as the vision is there and the thought is there on the paper. It really doesn't mean anything if the pictures aren't clear enough or whatsoever. So what I'm doing right now, I'm gonna print out all my images and then I'm gonna be right back.
How's your aunt? This is how far we've came. Pictures here, pictures there, and in the middle I'm gonna basically write down all my goals. So yeah, I'm very pleased with it right now. The pictures aren't perfect, it didn't print out so good, but that's okay, not a big deal. The vision is there, the idea is there. Okay, so I bought this black marker to write my goals with, but I needed to start first. It's just right. It's not too thick. It's not too big. Just right. Just how I want it. Now the thing is, I'm gonna write 2023 goals. how should I rate that? I think I want to rate it. I think I want to rate it in black, and then in with a Sharpie I might rate 2023, but like in cursive, if you understand what I mean. Let me try to put some inspo 2020. I'll put 2022 because I don't think anybody put 2023 yet. I can't find no inspo on top of Pinterest. I'm probably not rating it right. It's cool. Anyways, I'm just gonna wing it and do what I do. Okay? What I do. What I just do. I think it's all like him, right? Just doing some tests first before I go on my paper itself. Y'all, you know. Sorry, I was watching that video. I'm gonna be back when I figure out how I wanna write 2023 goals. Cause for now, I'm just testing this thing out.
We're gonna jump on the game still.
How's your aunt? How's your aunt?
Alright, so the vision board is finally done, and I just took some pictures of it and I just created my thumbnail for this video, so that is done as well. Happy. Especially the first time I ever filmed a video and made a thumbnail one time. That means that I'm doing very good with my thumbnails. Like, I'm actually working on them to make sure have a thumbnail for the videos, you know, like to take pictures for the video basically. So yeah, I've been doing that. And actually, I can't really see, but actually it came out very good. Like, I'm actually satisfied with it. You know, look. You know, look. It look good. The pictures ain't 100%, but it still look good though. This picture a little crooked though. Martin. Yeah, I'm definitely satisfied with this. Definitely. Yeah. It's good. It's good. It's good. 2022 is gonna be good. I'm telling y'all from now on. It's gonna be over, y'all. Period. That is it for today's YouTube video. I hope that you guys love this video. I hope that this was very inspirational, motivational for you guys for 2023. I'm gonna see y'all in the next YouTube video. Don't forget to check out my social medias. I'll also be posting other vision board ideas, examples that you could probably use or get inspired from, okay, to create your own, of course, whether it's physical or digital. And let me know if y'all want to see me create a digital one as well, because this is a physical one, but I'm also going to be making a digital one. So if y'all want to see that, then comment down below and let your girl know. Bye. There goes my phone. What the shit? Can you stand, please? Like, please just stand up. Thank you. Hola. You been there again, Peter? You will lay down there.